environmental festival, which includes also film festival, because EAG, in cooperation with Kalakirti, we organize this environmental film festival every year. I think this is third year we are doing it, and this is open for school, college, and national level. Various prizes are there which we will announce. The idea of having this environmental film festival through EAG, because you must be aware that EAG is related with the film, anything connected with film, EAG is ready to participate with various organizations to create awareness. We are having already Anti-Tobacco Film Festival recently, which was held, and now very shortly those films will be screened in all the auditoriums, in all the theatres, cinema halls all over Goa. They are waiting just for, already submitted for censorship, because you are aware that any film screening, any ad in the theatre, it requires a censorship certificate from the government. So it's on the way. By 15th or 20th of July, we'll be ready to screen all these ad films of anti-tobacco all over Goa.
Since this is our 7th year, and with great pride and privilege, I would like to say that this is entering into our 7th year only due to the support of press and organizations like ESG, which gives us motivation to go forward. So this year, Goa Environmental Festival is trying to go a little bigger and wider, and to do that, we have opened, since last year actually, we have opened up the competition for national levels, school and colleges for Goa, and open category is open to a national level, and there is no age bar in that. Like BC said, we have increased the prize amount this year so that we get more participation, and we look forward to a good participation from colleges this time. I would specifically request the colleges to take part. Last year we had around 43 entries, which was a good number, and this year we look forward to increasing it to definitely more than what it was last year. The theme for this year is My Happy Planet, and the topic for this year's film competition is water, the elixir of life. We all know the importance of water. Day by day we are realizing the importance of water in Goa also. Up till now we are taking the rain gods for granted, but now it's time that we realize what we need to do to recharge and reserve the water that comes from the nature. So water is the topic we have given, and we have kept it a kind of an open subject so that we can get good ideas coming in from, innovative ideas coming from students as well as general public.
Have a run up to the festival. So like the quiz preliminaries, last year also we had done it before the festival, and the finals at the festival. This will be done along with Young Indians. So preliminaries will happen in the month of August, and finals will be during the festival. We used to have a culinary contest along with the Innerville Club of Panji. That will happen 3 days before the festival. So then we used to have a heritage walk, a cycle rally. All this will happen before the festival, because we are doing this time the festival midweek. And on the first day we intend to have a really big inaugural. We want to get a celebrity person related to environmental work or to work in water. We are working on a lot of good names. So we want to make it really big, the inaugural, so that we fill up the entire Kala Academy. Dinanath Mangeshkar. In the lobby we'll be having Eco Bazaar. We will also be having sessions on green medicine. Our Gauti Vaidya will be involved in that. We'll be having programs for teachers, students, and not just those 2 days, but even before. Like how the film competition is happening before, they're going to be screened there, but it's happening before. Similarly, a lot of competitions will happen before. Almost around 8 events are happening before the festival.